pump out most of the water. The washer and dryers were floating. Water line about 5 feet.
It wasn't until the storm surge hit, which was about 6:30, that water started coming up the street. A fire truck came and started to evacuate people just across the street, across Florence Avenue. There's several homes that are gone now from there. We had our van parked in the driveway ready to go. Like I said, at 6:30, when the water reached the end of our driveway, we bugged out and went over to Memorial School to evacuate, and then we had to be evacuated from there.
We didn't have a car, we
So
didn't
we
have
couldn't have
connection,
gotten-
there was
couldn't
no
have
way,
got-
there's no phone. So, and it's like camping outside for the period that you're living like that. Everything takes a lot longer to do, and the sun goes down, and that's all you can do.
Right,
So it gets dark
there's
real
no
fast.
electricity, yeah.
We were off work for 3 weeks. My co-manager pretty much took over for me. I was only able to get a text out to her. And she's a friend too, so she was mostly just worried about us and what's going to happen. I was able to get a text out to her that simply said, people fine, house not, town devastated.
There's our water heater, our freezer, 2 of our air conditioning units, vacuum cleaner, Kevin's Christmas present of electric scooter. There's part of our wet vac, which would be really handy right now.
Things of sentimental value, like I had a play collection that I'd been collecting since I was a teenager, music collection, and there, things like that, pictures and stuff like. Every time it rains, everybody in town is just nobody's sleeping. Everybody and definitely the flashbacks come and you're up looking out the windows making sure where's the water now. I kept looking across the street to see if there was water coming up from behind the house, which is where it came from for us on that during Sandy.
Children too
Miranda had
some
problems.
little post-traumatic stress.
She had nightmares.
She was having nightmares that the water came up higher and we were not able to get out.
The dream was that it happened that Sandy came again and but this time the cat didn't make it, Biscuit didn't make it because we had to leave him here. So that was her nightmare and her little way of sort of transferring her own fear.
We kind of looked at this as a learning moment that though there's adversity, if you keep on keeping on, you can overcome it. And I think we're one of the best things that told us that we were actually successful in that was about a week afterwards, my son Kevin was talking to a friend on the phone, and evidently the friend said, how did you do? And Kevin said, well, we got 5 feet of water in our basement, but it was nothing we couldn't handle.
Right.
We don't know if we're going to go ahead and rebuild the basement because we're not sure whether or not we're going to have to elevate the house. Right now, we are at what the original base flood level was. If they revise that, then we'll have to consider raising it. If we don't raise it, we do face increased insurance premiums. So right now, we're just kind of holding tight until we get some news.